Maybe your new property manager has asked you for your social security number or to see your photo ID. Maybe if you own the property in some kind of an entity like a trust or an LLC, they've even asked to see the operating agreement. What reason could a property manager have for requesting these items from you? At OneFocus, we have a process to verify and authenticate everybody that we work with: tenants, employees, vendors, and even clients. See, we need to make sure we're working with the rightful owner of the property. So our process is to pull the deed for the property and ensure we're working with the people or persons listed on that deed. So if that's you personally listed, we'll check your photo ID and that will be good enough. But if you own it in an entity like a trust or an LLC, we might also need to see that operating agreement and then verify the identities of the members of the LLC and who the authorized signers are. Property managers are required to report the income we receive on your behalf with an annual 1099. In order to do that, we will need your social security number if you own the property personally, or a tax ID number for whatever entity does own the property, so we can accurately report those rents every year. I've had several occasions where a new client contacts me and I don't have the opportunity to meet them in person. They give me access to the property via a coded lockbox and we complete all of our paperwork electronically via email. If I wasn't careful to ensure I'm working with the rightful owner of the property, it would be pretty easy for a scammer to take over a property via a property manager like OneFocus. Rest assured, when we're verifying your identity as a client of our company, that this is a process we exercise as your agent as well. So we make sure we're verifying and authenticating the identity of individuals and companies that we work with on your behalf in the management of your property.